computer build 2016. It's October 10th and I just got all my parts in today. So gonna be building in a, I think it's called Enthoo Pro M case with the acrylic side panel, and then I got the MSI Z170A SLI motherboard. Then I have the Core i7 6700K, a terabyte hard drive. I got 120 gig SSD, and I only got 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM for now. I got the Ballistix. I think it's at 2400 megahertz, and I got 650 watt Corsair power supply. And to cool my Core i7, to cool my Core i7, I got the H110i. So I have it already set up in a different case, but I'm gonna be taking it all apart and putting it into this new case. So watch, like, subscribe. Cool. So yeah, I already had it assembled, so I have to disassemble it. The other case. Hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. Also, if you guys noticed that I did not get a video card because it's not within my budget right now. So I'm using my old video card from my old build, which is a GTX 960. Okay, cool.
me thinking, you got me lost, lost in translation, I'm feeling gone. But for now, all I have to say is hello, goodbye. But for now, all I have to say is hello, goodbye. Seven days and 7 nights, I haven't seen you for a while. You got me thinking, you got me lost, lost in translation, I'm feeling gone. But for now, all I have to say is hello, goodbye. But for now, all I have to say is hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. All I have to say is hello, goodbye.
Alright guys, here's the first boot. Let's see what happens. Where's the power? Oh, right up top. Okay, here's my ultra wide. See if it boots into Windows, because I already had Windows installed before this. I have like no LEDs, but I plan on getting some. The only thing that I have is that Corsair water black. Looks pretty cool. Hey, it booted in. Very nice. It booted in, first try. Sorry, autofocus noise. But yeah, maybe I should just manual focus. It looks beautiful. There's a radiator. Shaky hands. Shaky hands. Very cool. Super clean look.